Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are playing Marvel Rivals and your game keeps crashing your GPU. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are playing Marvel Rivals and your game keeps crashing your GPU, causing black screen, freezing, or even forcing a system restart, you are not alone. This issue is affecting a lot of players, especially on Nvidia and AMD GPUs. And while there isn't one official fix yet, there are several working solutions that have helped many people get the game running smoothly. So in this quick video, I will show you some of the best fixes to stop Marvel Rivals from crashing your GPU. So whether you are on a high-end rig or a mid-range setup, you can simply just follow along. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the fix one, you will have to simply update your GPU drivers. So whichever GPU you are using, whether it is Nvidia or AMD, you need to either go to their official website, or if you already have their application installed like I have Nvidia, you just have to simply launch that and hover over to the left hand section and click on drivers. Here in the right hand side you will see the install button, and if you see the install button, it simply means that your driver needs an update. But if you don't see it, and if you want to see whether there is any update available or not, you will see this type of circle option in the top right hand corner. It is also basically checking for the updates, so you need to click on that and you need to just wait for some time until it shows you any update. Again, if you see any update over here, you need to click on the install button in order to launch it, and this way you will be able to basically download the latest drivers for your graphic card, and it will also do a clean install. Outdated or any corrupted drivers are one of the main reasons Marvel Rival crashes. So the second fix that you can do is you can simply lower the graphics setting. For that, you need to just open your Steam Powered, and here you need to go to library. Over here you will see your Marvel Rivals game, so you need to just simply click on that, and right clicking on it, you will just click on the manage option. So here in your manage or in your property, you need to just lower down the graphic quality, and you can try just windowed full screen instead of the full screen mode, and see if the issue is working or if it actually fixed. In the third fix, what you can do is you can simply just use MSI afterburner. If your GPU or CPU is overclocked, it might be causing instability with Marvel Rivals, so you can use MSI afterburner to reset your GPU to the default clocks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.